The Merritt Travel-Ease E3 P108. This economy folding power wheelchair offers all the convenience of a standard wheelchair with the added features of a power wheelchair. The Travel-Ease E3 P108 quickly and easily folds down to the same size as a regular wheelchair, making it easy to transport. Conveniently, there is no need to remove the battery pack, as is the case in many similar models.
The rear handlebars will also fold back, further reducing the P108's overall collapse size.
The high-grade lightweight aluminum frame supports a carrying capacity of 114 kilograms or 250 pounds. This power wheelchair features flip-up armrests and footrests which can either swing in or be completely removed. These make getting on and off the chair easier. At the same time, they won't interfere with the user's surroundings. The durable UK PG controller allows for easy speed adjustments and nimble movement control. The base motors are equipped with an intelligent braking system which automatically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary, effectively locking the wheelchair in place. The system is also regenerative in that it captures the kinetic energy produced by braking and transfers it to the batteries. To quickly change this power wheelchair into a standard wheelchair, simply disengage the motors by twisting the freewheel levers under the seat. Polyurethane foam tyres means no more flat tyres. The Travel-Ease E3 P108 comes with extra upholstery pads with antibacterial and mildew prevention technology which easily remove for cleaning. The upholstery is available in 4 colours: light brown, red, light orange and light blue. The P108 also features a back pouch for carrying personal items. Unlike most power wheelchairs, the Travel-Ease E3 P108 stands out for its ability to fold without the removal of the battery pack, saving you time and getting you on your way that much quicker.